Friend, seeker, you who dare to dream beyond the mundane, listen closely. We've spoken of consistency, of the relentless daily march toward your goals, but there is a force even more fundamental, a power that ignites the very engine of consistency itself: faith. Not merely blind belief in the unseen, but a profound, unwavering conviction in your own capacity, in your purpose, and in the inevitable manifestation of your deepest desires. Have you ever wondered why some individuals, seemingly no more talented or intelligent than yourself, rise to heights unimaginable, while others, equally gifted, falter and fade into obscurity? The answer, my friend, lies not in some mystical secret, but in the cultivation of this potent force. It is the invisible architect of all great achievements, the silent whisper that transforms ambition into reality. Think of the greatest inventors, the most revolutionary leaders, the most inspiring artists. Did they embark on their arduous journeys armed only with logic and facts? No. They were propelled forward by an unshakable belief in what was yet unseen, an absolute certainty that their vision, however audacious, was not only possible but destined to be. This is the very essence of the faith we speak of, a conviction so strong that it moves mountains, not literally, but within the landscape of the human mind and spirit. Napoleon Hill, in his timeless wisdom, revealed that faith is not a mere wish or a fleeting hope. It is a state of mind, a powerful mental attitude that can be cultivated and controlled. It is the emotional fuel that transforms vague thoughts into tangible reality. When your subconscious mind is imbued with unwavering faith in your own success, you activate an inner power, a magnetic force that aligns every fiber of your being toward achieving your goals. Consider the seed buried in the earth. It does not see the sunlight, it does not feel the warmth of the air, yet it pushes upward with an indomitable will. Why? Because within its very core lies an inherent faith in its destiny to become a mighty tree. It trusts the unseen forces of nature to nurture its growth. You too possess this innate capacity. You carry within you the blueprint of your own greatness, awaiting only the fertile ground of unwavering faith to spring forth. Without faith, even the most burning desire remains a mere spark, quickly extinguished by the winds of doubt and discouragement. But with faith, that desire becomes a raging inferno, consuming obstacles, illuminating the path forward, and drawing to you the people, resources, and opportunities necessary for its fulfillment. This is not magic. It is a fundamental law of the universe, a principle demonstrated time and again by every person who has ever achieved anything truly remarkable. Faith allows you to overcome the paralyzing grip of fear, doubt, and hesitation. It unlocks hidden potentials you never knew existed within you. It transforms failures not into roadblocks, but into stepping stones, lessons learned, and fuel for an even greater push forward. It is the resilient mindset that allows you to weather any storm, knowing with absolute certainty that the sun will rise again and your efforts will ultimately bear fruit. The science behind this is simple, yet profound. Through the power of autosuggestion and repeated affirmations, you can program your subconscious mind with images and beliefs of success. What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. But this belief must be saturated with emotion. It must become an unshakable conviction. This is what transforms a mere thought into a creative force. If this message resonates with the deepest desires of your heart, and if you are ready to cultivate the unwavering faith that will propel you toward your greatest achievements, then there is more wisdom awaiting you. Subscribe to our channel to continue this journey of transformation and share this profound truth with those you believe are destined for greatness. Now that we have unveiled the profound truth of faith, let us delve deeper into how this unseen architect constructs the edifice of success. Faith is not a passive waiting. It is an active force, a dynamic principle that demands conscious cultivation and unwavering application. It is the unwavering conviction that your definite chief aim, your singular purpose, is not just a dream, but a coming reality. Consider the pioneers who crossed vast oceans, the innovators who defied conventional wisdom, the leaders who inspired nations to achieve the impossible. They did not have guarantees of success. They faced immense resistance, ridicule, and countless setbacks. Yet, they pressed on. What fueled their relentless pursuit? It was their unyielding faith in their vision, a belief so potent that it created a magnetic field, drawing to them the very circumstances and collaborators needed to bring their dreams to fruition. Faith, as Napoleon Hill teaches, is developed through consistent, purposeful action. It's born from a burning desire, solidified through a definite chief aim, and amplified through the power of autosuggestion. When you vividly visualize yourself already in possession of your desired outcome, when you repeat affirmations daily, when you live and breathe your purpose, you are not merely engaging in wishful thinking. You are actively imprinting your subconscious mind with the blueprints of your success, creating a powerful resonance that attracts its physical equivalent. This is why faith is the genesis of all success. It is the initial spark that ignites the entire process. Without it, desire remains dormant, plans remain theoretical, and persistence lacks its vital fuel. Faith empowers you to take the first step, then the next, and the next, even when the path is unclear, even when the odds seem insurmountable. It gives you the courage to persist when all around you are advising surrender. Think of a person who attempts a challenging physical feat. They might have the physical ability, but if they lack the faith in their capacity to complete it, their efforts will be half-hearted, their muscles will tire faster, and their mind will seek reasons to quit. Conversely, someone with immense faith, even if physically less endowed, can push beyond perceived limits, drawing on reserves of strength and resilience that surprise even themselves. Faith taps into something deeper, something beyond the purely physical or intellectual. It is the conviction that even in the face of temporary defeat, there lies the seed of an equal or greater benefit. It is the understanding that setbacks are merely detours, not dead ends. This resilient perspective is a direct byproduct of cultivated faith. When you truly believe in your ultimate success, every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth, every failure a valuable lesson, and every obstacle a chance to refine your strategy. The power of faith also extends to your interactions with others. When you possess an unwavering belief in your project, your vision, or yourself, it becomes infectious. Others are drawn to your conviction, inspired by your resolve, and become willing to support your endeavors. Faith creates a powerful aura of certainty that can persuade, influence, and inspire those around you to join your cause. It is the silent language of leadership, the unspoken promise of victory. If this deeper understanding of faith has resonated with your spirit, and you feel ready to harness its boundless power, then let us continue this journey of transformation. Subscribe to our channel for more timeless principles, and share this message with those who need to awaken their own unwavering faith. Now that you understand the profound connection between faith and success, what will you do with this revelation? Will you allow it to merely be another piece of information, or will you embrace it as the foundational principle for your life's greatest achievements? This is not a suggestion, it is a command to your very being to awaken the dormant power of faith within you. I command you to believe now. Believe in your purpose. Believe in your potential. Believe in the inevitability of your success. This belief must be absolute, unyielding, and permeate every thought, every word, and every action. Do not allow the whispers of doubt, the shadows of fear, or the criticisms of the cynical to dim the flame of your faith. Choose your definite chief aim, that singular burning desire, and begin to cultivate faith in its attainment. Dedicate time each day to visualize it, to feel it, to speak it into existence. Use autosuggestion consistently. Repeat affirmations that resonate with your goal, infusing them with emotion until they become a part of your very being. Remember, the mind believes what it is told repeatedly and with conviction. Tell yourself, over and over, that you are capable, that you are deserving, that you are already on the path to realizing your dreams. Do not wait for external validation or visible proof. Faith precedes evidence. It is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things unseen. Act as if your success is already guaranteed, for in the realm of the mind it is. When you live and breathe your faith, the universe conspires to bring your desires into fruition. Your faith is your greatest asset, your most potent weapon against adversity, and your most reliable compass in the journey of life. Nurture it, strengthen it, and let it illuminate your path. For every great achievement in human history began with a seed of faith planted in the heart and mind of an individual who dared to believe in the impossible. Rise now with an unwavering conviction and manifest the success that awaits you. Faith is the eternal elixir which gives life, power, and action to the impulse of thought. If this message has stirred your soul and empowered you to embrace the transformative power of faith, then do not keep this profound truth to yourself. Subscribe to our channel for continued guidance and inspiration, and share this revelation with anyone you know who is striving for greatness. Together, we can build a world where unwavering faith unlocks limitless success.